How to make money on Upwork as a YouTube channel art designer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started by creating our account, and then make sure to join as a freelancer looking for work. Then click on apply as a freelancer. Then you'll proceed to fill in the usual information, first name, last name, and so on. Then click on create my account. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to continue with my email and then my password. Then login. And then you'll proceed to create your profile. So here, this is the last step of creating the profile. So let's go back to start from the beginning, to start from the first step. So let's go back. So here, this is the first step of creating our profile. So let's get started. And here we have a few questions to go through. We have 3 answers to choose from, and make sure to choose the answer that fits your situation. Have you freelanced before? Choose one of these answers, then click on next to proceed to the next question. What's your biggest goal for freelancing? And here, make sure to choose again one of these answers, then click on next to proceed to the next question. How would you like to work? And here we have 3 answers to go with. Make sure to choose one of them, then click or choose both or choose all of them. That's even better. Then click on next to create a profile. So here you have 3 options to choose from in order to create your profile. You can either import your information from LinkedIn, or you can upload your resume if you have it in a PDF file, or you can fill it out manually. It will take less than 5 minutes. It will not even be more than 5 minutes. So let's go with the third option, start a new profile, and here enter your skill, which is a YouTube channel art designer. Then click on next to add your experience. So here you can add your previous work experience, title, company, location, and so on. Then you proceed to add in your education history. Same again, you can add your school, degree, field of study, and so on. Then you proceed to add in the languages that you can speak. So here, all profiles include English. So keep that in mind, guys. You cannot work in this platform without English. And here, you select your level in English. I'm going to go with conversational. And then you can add other languages if you can speak them. So I'm going to add 2 more languages. So here I'm going to add Arabic, which is my native language, and the third one is French, which is a language that I've studied in school. So here my level is native and my level is basic. Then click on next to add your skills. So here you can enter your skills, and here the maximum amount of skills you can add is 15 skills, so make sure to use that wisely. So here they've suggested some skills for us. For example, I'm going to choose those. This is just an example. You can enter your specific skill and add it if you'd like. Then click on next to write an overview. So here write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. So this is an example of a bio. As you can see, a small text and some bullet points. So guys, in order to enter a good bio for your profile, just go to ChatGPT and enter, I'm a YouTube channel art designer. Give me a bio for my Upwork profile, and you'll get a very decent bio. You'll just need to copy and paste it in here and add some personal information to it. Then you're good to go. For me, I'm going to take this bio, because going to ChatGPT will make the video very long. So I'm going to take this bio, click on next to choose your categories. So here you can search for a category in this list, or you can just choose the suggested services. So here I'm going to choose graphic and editorial and presentation design, art and illustration as well. Then click on next to set your rate. So here you can enter your hourly rate. I'm going to go for $30 per hour. Then click on next to add your photo and location. So here fill this information, and for your profile picture, make sure to show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So keep that in mind, guys. And after you're done with creating your profile, I'm going to show you a strategy that I use personally in order to get more clients and in order to improve my account or my profile. So basically the strategy is that I'm going to search for my competitors and I'm going to find the highest earner amongst them. Then I'm going to see what is he doing differently in his profile, and I'm going to try to implement that to my profile. So here I'm going to search for my competitors. Then I'm going to see the highest amount someone has earned in here, and that's the one I'm going to copy. So here let's see who's the highest earner. So we have more than 20 grand so far. Let's check the second page. If there is someone who earned more than 20 grand, let's see. More than 20 grand as well. I think 20 grand, but I'm not thinking that anymore. We have this one who earned more than 100 grand and he gets paid $25 per hour. So I think that's the one we're going to spy on. So this is the one who's going to help us improve our profile. We're going to see what is he doing differently than the others, and we're going to copy that to our profile. And guys, in order to find more work in this platform, just go to find work, click on find work for your skills, and here enter your skill in this search box, and you will see all of the listed jobs that are looking for the same skill like the one you're offering. Then you can apply for the job. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.